she too bougie right, no.
Back to my channel. My name is Tamara, and if you're already a current subby, hey, welcome back. But if you're not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. So today I'm just coming to you guys with a really short video. I got some new charms for my bangles. I had ordered 3 sets of charms, not like huge quantities. They were all supposed to arrive on Sunday. They didn't come until, I thought they were gonna come Tuesday because it said delay. Came Monday, which was yesterday, so I was really excited. I'm filming this on Tuesday. Let me stop rambling. Let's go ahead and get into the video. First thing of charms I want to show y'all, they're like saying charms, and they look like this. I don't know if you can see these. Okay, so they look like this, and they have sayings on them, and I have a picture of them right here, you guys to see. So I really think these are so simple and really cute. And the second set of charms I got were these right here, these little candy pieces. I have a picture right here as well. I wanted to do like a sweet collection, but I'm really undecided. Then the last thing of charms that I got, they're like little lollipops, if you can see those. And then I'll insert a picture of those right here. Just got those 3 sets of charms. I've already made a few bangles that are on my website. So I have my website linked down below. That's really it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.